Today I will be repotting this beautiful golden pothos. As you can see, I use plastic food containers for my plants since they last longer and turns out to be cheaper. First, press all the sides of the plastic container to release the soil from the container. Then, hold the base of the plant as you turn the pot upside down to support the plant. And transfer to the new container. In this case, I am putting my plant in a seedling bag, so it is easier to transport. I will be sending this to a friend and she will be the one to put these plants to nicer and bigger pots. Then we will do the same with the other plants. We press all the sides and also the bottom. Since our plant is already grown, the roots are holding the soil together. Tip of advice: do not water your plants yet before repotting, so the soil will not be loose. You can always water the plant after repotting anyway.